It is 5:35 in the morning, and Mommy Bella is nursing her puppies, her 4 females. They're all in there eating. I have little markers on them so I can track the progress of each one and measure their weights at the end of the feedings to make sure they're actually getting food. You see, Mommy's very calm. The puppy needs to be cleaned. As you see, she's very calm and lets them feed on her. They just run to the first teat they see available. That's why most of them are on the bottom. I guess Old Orange was the last one there.